Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
And today is the second demo. Yesterday was the first demo. In the second demo, this is the content I plan.
I haven't heard the yesterday's demo. Can you
No
please?
problem. You'll be getting both the demo videos and documents, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Guys, this was a folder I given access for you. This was a folder I given access for you. First demo documents available. Even second demo documents I will place here. So you will receive the example for practice, the lab setup, the practice file, and only video pending. Tonight you will receive the video, but this is your drive folder with 2 demo videos available. Demo videos and documents. Now we'll continue. There are 2 demo classes for Power BI. And this was the content I given yesterday. And this is the content plan for today. Yesterday I explained first 20 minutes introduction of sessions and the process, institute providings, and type of opportunities you can try, etc. And 40 minutes I explained data to fill fabric, hierarchy, data to fabric. Today we will start Power BI components, concepts, desktop installation requirements, and one example end-to-end. And you will see the hands-on, and you will see the beauty of Power BI in this practice. So before that, I will recap yesterday's session for 10 minutes, and then we will continue with this. And I given my details yesterday. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. Thank you. More than 10 people called me since last night. I'm really happy to see you guys. And I'm wishing from other people for your career guidance or questions or anything. So whenever you talk to me or any trainer, then only you'll get more awareness, more understanding. Don't start blindly. Ask as many as questions possible, get proper answers. And first of all, you get clarity, and then you pursue the course. I'm a working leading consultant. A training type basics to advanced I'm covering. And the duration 60 hours, the current course duration 60 hours. Daily 1 hour the session, sufficient. And my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Sir, what if I want to close in 1 month? Call me on this number. I will tell you how to complete in 1 month. This is my contact number. Sir, I don't have even 1 month time. I want to finish up so 1 week or 10 days. Are you providing any videos? Video purchase is possible. Yes, video purchasing also possible. But I recommend you to go through the classes only. Pursue the sessions only. Always better. In case you don't have time, there is no alternative. So you can purchase videos. But whatever you have the questions on the same number. And weekly Monday to Friday compulsory classes.
For 1 month, can you cover all the topics?
No, madam, I'm not taking 1 month classes. I'll tell you how to do it. I'll tell you how to do it. Call me on this number, or at the end, I will tell you what is the process we have.
Okay, sir.
And the training is classroom and online both available. And institute providing daily live class video for 1.5 year access. So again and again, you can open the video and practice. So mostly your doubts will be cleared by going through the videos. Because slow, steady we go. Even materials also helpful for you to understand the subject properly. Through WhatsApp, effective communication provided, daily class updates, links, everything through WhatsApp. Even I'll address your questions through WhatsApp. You can call me in these timings for your questions, queries. And materials theory I will provide and practicals I will provide. FAQs are provided for your interview purpose. Even certification questions also provided. Mock interviews I will conduct, and in the sense my neighbors will take mock interviews for you to suggest where exactly you stand. An MSBI tabular cube, it is one kind of database, and we will take session for 1 hour. And SQL sessions we will take for 4 hours. Sir, is it sufficient? Please remember, don't ask me again and again. SQL 4 hours is not sufficient, and this is the content I plan to explain how do we use SQL in Power BI, what type of operations we can implement in Power BI, etc. to explain. And there are 9 topics in SQL very important. Even in yesterday's checklist I provided. But before that, you learn whole course. Complete course you learn, and then prioritize 9 topics. Power BI plus SQL, mandatory for learning, and 2 near real-time projects I'm going to cover in these classes, and multiple case studies. So institute providing all this. And training objective, real-time working perspective, interview suitable, certification purpose, and in worst situation, you will be in a position to generate your own reports. General questions people ask me, who is eligible to learn? Any graduate is eligible to learn, and it is a low code component. No need to write any code. So this is what last class I explained as part of introduction. And I also covered using Power BI, what are the areas you can try. And due to lack of knowledge, people feel like it's just a reporting tool. No, it's a wonderful data visualization application with end-to-end process that I will show you practically today. And with this, you can try as a BI developer or a report developer, or you can try as a data analyst along with other components, data scientist with other components. And in worst situation, you can develop your own reports, multi-purpose component, multi-opportunist Power BI. Next. And I'm going to explain in the next 2 months, project environment, concepts, components, etc. This is very, very important. 80% institutions won't cover, but I'm covering this. This is important. And this is Power BI subject, cloud and on-premises, both I'm going to cover. And where Power Apps for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours, understanding. This is the next 2 months subject. Sir, can you give me the detailed checklist? Last class, this is your drive. Here, the detailed checklist I provided, kindly open and see. This checklist also I'm going to follow from tomorrow. All topics available here. So demos 2 days, and then important terms, Power BI desktop, downloading software installation 1 hour, data extraction part for 2 hours, multiple sources, case study 1, 4 hours, end-to-end practice, cloud practice immediately, case study 2 practice, case study 3, and data transformations, data visualization, again one project, one more project, resume preparation, like this one by one, we will discuss. This is high level. For example, data extraction part, what I'm going to cover. If you want to see, go to extract data. Here, these are the sources we're going to work on. PDF, web, Word, JSON, XML, Excel, and creating a table without retrieving from anywhere. And databases working, cube working, etc. sources. Power Query, the concepts are this. Power Visuals, these are all the visualizations I'm going to cover in the classes. So this is a checklist and I will follow. And if a session completed, I will mention yes. For that reason, I'm giving. And by seeing this, you can understand where exactly currently we are in. Even I will notify you in the WhatsApp properly. Don't worry. What is the current topic going on? When a topic is going on, I'll clearly mention you in the WhatsApp. Take 8 a.m. online. So we are starting the project practice. So yesterday real-time understanding and today one real-time practice space creation. Everything you will get very clearly here. So this kind of group created for our operations. Fine. An institute will provide theory, practical material, live class video, and we will help you in the resume preparation. Yes, daily I'm helping people with the resume preparation. So today 3 to 4 resumes I corrected. 3 to 4 resumes you can see. Couple of minutes ago, this guy, he shared his resume today. I told him, so your resume is not good. So we need to discuss. And one more resume also I corrected today. So this is a resume today. I clearly asked him, don't know for which purpose you prepared this resume.
Sorry to interrupt you, since Sandeep. I just have one query.
Sir,
Hello.
yes, yes, sir. I will open in another 2 minutes for your
Yeah,
question. Give me time, sir.
sure.
Right. And pure technical side you want to try as a Power BI developer, a report developer, below 5 years you can keep, below 5 years. So Power BI developer plus SQL. And this is Power BI side. And this is a language inside Power BI. Because of this reason, we call Power BI as a low code application. In case we don't have this language, it's a no code only. Since we are having this is a low code application. And 90% opportunities on this combination. And Power BI support resource also available in the market, admin resource, and some people trying with combinations. So your experience is above 4, above 5, above 6. You want to get benefit, go with combination. I prefer this combination or this combination because the next market is this. Or even this standard combination also okay. Sir, I want to keep 3 to 4 years. Simply Power BI and SQL Server sufficient. 2 years, Power BI SQL Server sufficient. Sir, I want to keep in Power BI more than 5 years. I'm talking about Power BI more than 5 years. But at least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge is mandatory. Otherwise, you cannot try. And these are the positions available. Highly remunerated positions. People giving very huge remuneration for this. And for this, at least 10 years minimum experience in Power BI required. Minimum 5 and usually 10 years. So you can expect a wonderful career in Power BI. And if you see now career opportunities, so there are many opportunities, 8 years, 10 years, 15 years. That means it is having good market. This is technical side. So Power BI, how do we use? Technical side, I clearly explain and what type of opportunities available, how you need to learn. Next. And after that, that is interaction part. After that, I explained last class, this understanding, data, how many types available, how many formats available, how many types of storage available. And then IT applications. There are many IT applications, but importantly two, transactional processing, analytical processing. And BA applications are one kind of IT applications. And the BA application history explained. Legacy BA, old BA, middle age BA, modern or new age BA. And then I explained Power BI because Power BI comes under BA application. From 2013, it is available. BA process available from 90s, but Power BI from 2013. Then what type of definition is given by various scientists and companies? And what is Power Platform? What is Fabric? This is what I given clear understanding yesterday. In case you haven't attended or you haven't gone through, at least go through this material today. I shared the same material in WhatsApp level. My team shared the same material in the WhatsApp level. Kindly go through. Even the Google Drive access you got, download and read it. Without this reading, you cannot establish your career properly in Power BI or BA tools level. Especially Power BI, you must aware of this. You must. Otherwise, you cannot face the interview, you cannot understand the job description, and you cannot appear for the certification. And I will start from Power BI here. Yes, I'm open for your questions, and now ask your questions. Who all having questions? And also request you kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. So that
Hello.
today you'll receive demo video and document. Yes, sir. Kindly ask your question, please.
Yes, this is for my brother. My brother is hearing the demo and he's very interested. And your subject is also very good. One question that I have is, my brother doesn't have any technical background. So is it mandatory to learn SQL first and then come to Power BI?
No. What's your brother qualification?
My brother qualification is degree. He completed his BSc.
He can directly start up Power BI. So there's no
He can
difference.
start, right?
Yeah, there's no dependency with SQL. And there are many people
Okay.
not learning SQL, especially who all interested towards IT Power BI development side or report development side. Those people learning Power BI and SQL. And the
Okay.
people who are planning to move into data analysis side, they're not giving ITFL SQL. They're learning Power BI, Excel, and basics of Python.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Sandeep.
Welcome, sir. Have a great day. Next, any more questions from anyone?
What is Power BI developing? Is it a software developing or different from that?
Pardon, sir?
So Power BI developing, what it means? Is it like a software development or something like that?
Yeah, it is software development only. Power BI development is software development only.
So we need to have programming knowledge or
Not
coding
required.
knowledge.
It's a low code application.
If someone is having a normal bachelor in arts qualification, so will he or she is eligible to do this course?
Any graduate is eligible to do this course. No restrictions in that.
Okay. And
Without the basic computer knowledge, can we do it?
Yes, you can do it with basic computer knowledge. Yeah, basic computer knowledge is compulsory, madam. Otherwise, how come they will work? But nowadays, everyone is having basic computer knowledge.
Okay.
So everyone is using laptop, desktops.
Sir, the combination of the Power BI plus MSBI, what will be the total duration of this course? Or the combination of these two?
No, MSBA, we have again 2 months duration course. It's a very detailed course. So the Power BI will take 2 months, MSBA will take 2 months. You
It's
can take
total 4 months.
Yes. One by one, if you take 4 months, if you take parallelly, it will be done in 2 months. 2 months or 3 months max.
Okay.
so this course is Power BI plus SQL or only Power BI?
In this course, SQL I'm covering for 4 hours because I'm giving Power BI in-depth knowledge. But if you're interested to learn SQL, we have separate trainers in our institute. You can join for it. They will take for 40 days.
Okay, correct.
See,
And
there are many
only
institutions combining Power BI and SQL giving in 2 months. In that situation, they will not satisfy Power BI or SQL and either. But
Sir,
we don't want to do that. Whatever we're giving in depth only.
this batch
Very
is
nice.
only for Power BI plus SQL or any other
This
is there?
batch is only for Power BI, but where it included 4 hours SQL.
That
My
4 hours
request,
SQL means if we need SQL means it is connected, no sir?
not sufficient, madam. So I'm telling you the same question people are asking me again and again. Listen to it. I'm concluding, guys. This course provides detailed Power BI sessions for 2 months because Power BI has a lot of content in the 2 months cloud of Power BI, desktop of Power BI, and integration of Power Apps, integration of Power Automate, etc. Also, I'm going to cover because it's important with projects and all. So dedicate Power BI for 2 months, where I'm covering 4 hours of SQL. This is not sufficient for interview. This is not sufficient to work in real time.
Then
So,
what should we do, sir, for not?
so listen, madam. Learn separately in our institute or outside. Because SQL language will take 30 to 40 hours for learning. Learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics for interview. Clear for everyone?
So,
Yes.
so parallelly, both can happen, sir. For example, if I
Yes,
join
yes.
Power BI plus SQL also, both can be done.
Yes, yes. We have multiple SQL batches by different trainer. So my team will inform you. Join accordingly.
And the Power BI,
Sir,
when the batches will start, sir?
Pardon?
When the batches, online batches will start?
No, my reception will tell you all those things, sir.
sir,
After the session, speak to my
MSBA will
train.
be also teach by you, sir.
I take only Power BI classes.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, if your trainer is taking all the sessions, means he is jock and all, master and none. But in our institute, one trainer, only one course. We don't encourage jockers. Right. Next one. Let me continue, guys.
Sir,
I will
one
address your
question.
questions again from 8:15. Yes, sir. Please make it quick. So rather than demo, we are just discussing about normal things.
Okay, I'll ask my question later.
No problem, sir. Ask about demo related content, guys. Or else 8:15 onwards, again, I will address your questions with patience. So let us make this day beautiful with some valuable content. Right. So last class I explained Power BI, adding more power to existing BI, or Power BI is a low code application where cloud and on-premises supported and generates report and dashboard. Simply, input for our Power BI is data, maybe anywhere, any type, any format. And output from our Power BI, your output, report or dashboard. This is the output. Very simple. But the report or dashboard suitable to see in the mobile level, a tab level, or a web level, or desktop level, anywhere. In such a way we can make. I'll show you today. Kindly focus. Firstly, guys, how many types of reporting available in IT? I'm talking about general IT level types of reporting. Very old reporting, a traditional reporting, that is page-related report. Here, data divided into multiple pages. Every page is printable. Example, you have 200 records in a table. I need every page 20 records and 10 pages required. This is legacy reporting, standard reporting. And report builder of Power BI, report builder of SSRS are many tools like Cognos, BO, MicroStrategy. These all support this page-related reporting. Simply report data page by page. Like this. First page, some 10 records. If you click next 10 records. If you click next 10 records. That is page-related report. Everyone clear? And nowadays, many companies asking the candidate should have Power BI page-related reporting knowledge. 50% opportunities having Power BI page-related reporting knowledge. Because it was not available earlier. Power BI started with a non-page-related report from 2013. 13 onwards, we have non-page generated reporting, which is very advanced reporting, modern reporting. You will be having multiple visuals like this. You can filter, you can slice, anything you can do. Data not divided into pages. This is advanced reporting. 2013 onwards available. And we do this in a component called Power BI Desktop. So people ask Microsoft, we need legacy reporting, old reporting also. In 2017, the page-related reporting concept added in Power BI. Now Power BI is a full-fledged reporting tool with old and modern both supported. For old, we are having a report builder for Power BI. For modern, we are having Power BI Desktop. Questions, please. Right. Next one. Power BI components and Power BI concepts. So according to certification material, Microsoft manuals, there are 8 components in Power BI with 4 concepts. And Power BI first component is for report development, and that is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is the component which is for the report development, fully advanced reporting. It uses 4 concepts: concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4, 4 concepts. Once the report is developed, it will be moved to cloud, Power BI service. This is called cloud. So here the report we will place, will manage it, and users will come to cloud and bring it. Vice president, subject matter expert, manager, executives, all come under end users. So the people who are going for cloud, who are preferring cloud, they use this component as the first one, this component as the second one. And 95% people using these 2 components in the real time. In the real time, Power BI Desktop and cloud 95%. In our today's example also, this combination I'm going to show you. So kindly stay tuned till end of the session. You will get a lot of things. And on premises, within your computer, within your company server, then Power BI report server desktop and report server. This you will install it and manage it. 3 and 4 on premises. So customers will contact. So 2 to 3% people using it, or you can say 5% people using this on premises. And we also have other components. Only page-related reporting required, Power BI report builder. Or you want to place Power BI reports in social media, web level, blog level, etc. Then there is a concept called embedding available. Embedding meaning Power BI report showing in other area. This is my Facebook page. Here I want to show Power BI report, possible. This is my company website. Here I want to show Power BI report, possible. That is called embedding. And Power BI is very popular in the market with embedding also. Easily you can embed. Sir, if I don't like Power BI visuals, whatever Microsoft provided, can I develop my own visuals? Yes, possible by using Power BI Developer. This component, this tool will help you to create your own visuals. But you require coding. If you want to generate a visual, compulsory coding knowledge is required. So what type of coding, that is a different story. And one more component, gateway. This is a beautiful component where it will carry your on-premises data into cloud. This is Hyderabad data and cloud level report available. This Hyderabad data I want to move to cloud. Then we require intermediary called gateway. What is required? Gateway. So these are the 8 components available with 4 concepts in Power BI. First one, report development advanced. Report development, report storing and managing cloud. Report development on premises. Report storing and managing on premises server. And Power BI report builder for page related reporting. Embedding to place in social media, web, blog, etc. Power BI developer to create own visuals, and gateway to establish communication. Over. Any questions on this?
Yeah, yes, Vinay. The components which you mentioned as other components, right? So these components will be coming in the cloud itself, or we need to have any other separate URLs for this?
I did not say cloud or any. Couple of them we can install directly in our machines.
Okay.
This you can install directly in your machine. This you can install directly in your machine. And these two come under cloud links.
Okay.
But I'm going to cover all. Don't worry, all I'm going to cover.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, today I'm going to explain Power BI Desktop, how this is helpful for you to perform end-to-end report operation, generate a report. So this is my daily family expenses data. During lockdown, I prepared a data set, simple data set. Every day, how much money I spent in a particular location, I written here. Food how much, travel how much, and so and so how much. This is my family expenses data. From this, I want to create a report like this, analytical report, decision making report. So what is my total spending, average spending, minimum spending, maximum spending? If I select a year, year-wise values, month, year and month-wise values. And also I want to compare for which reasons I spend more money, which reasons I spend less money. I also want to see which location, how much percentage of money I spent, and what are the locations I traveled. I want to show geographically. If I select 19, it has to show geographically what are the locations I traveled. If I select 19 July or 19 August, accordingly it has to show. And if I select 19 in August, what are the locations I traveled and how much percentage money I spent, for which reasons in that particular period, and I spent the money. And what is my total spending, average spending in a particular period, I would like to show. So this is my input data. You can say transactional data because daily transactions data I kept here. And I want to show analytical data like this. How is it possible? Converting transactional data into analytical data. We require a component called Power BI Desktop since we are discussing about Power BI. And this component will do this process. First, this data, it will bring it. Second, it will transform it. If the data not in proper shape, transform. And third one, relationship. If many tables available, it will establish relationship. In case a specific data you want to show particular people, security applied. And finally, visualization. So this kind of visuals will take and present it. And the data is called BA data. And this is the BA data area. So normal data to BA data, the desktop will convert. And these are 5 steps. Since Power BI Desktop is implementing all this, we call it a self-service BI. If a tool or application perform end-to-end process or the desired process, those applications are tools called as self-service applications. Questions, please?
Sir, to make this data, to extract this data in a Power BI, so do we need to upload a file to
Yeah,
get this?
we'll see practically, sir. Don't worry. I'm going to show you now with practically, then you will come to know. So kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo videos and documents. This data file I already given to you, sir. You can use it for your practice. In the second demo document area, the data file I given and the practice PDF also given. Step by step available, you can open and practice. Right. See guys, coming to end-to-end process, this is my data, Power BI Desktop. This kind of report I'm going to generate. Finally, that report data I want to move to cloud, so the customers will connect and operate. So today I will show you this input, this software operation, this report generation, moving to cloud, and users management. This end-to-end I'm going to show you. Shall I? Right. Typically, Power BI complete flow is this. Power BI desktop level, the extraction transformation we do from various sources. The source may be a file, database, cube, warehouse, cloud. It could be anywhere. Power BI desktop will bring the data, transform the data. Power pivot or model, establish relationships. Power view or map, visual generation. Later, before sharing to customer, we'll move to cloud, cloud service, or server. Then only the report move to the customers. This is end-to-end process in Power BI.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
If you have created a report, the Power BI development tool. If we want to share the report, so how is it possible here?
I'm going to show you today, madam, that part. How to share and all I'm going to explain today. Don't worry. So I will prepare a report. I'll move to cloud and I'll share with customers. Everything I'll show you today. Right. How to download the software, Power BI desktop. The word desktop indicate graphical operations area. Windows desktop, Tableau desktop, Power BI desktop. And Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. Power indicate adding additional features. BA indicate takes data, generate reports and dashboards. Desktop indicate multiple operations area. So the word power indicate, BA indicate, desktop indicate. 3 words combination is Power BI desktop. And input to desktop is data. The data may be any type, any format, any storage. And as I told you, Power BI desktop output is a document. Some people say due to lack of knowledge report, desktop cannot generate a report. It will develop a document where the document contain report information and data information both. So the input is data, output is this. Sir, what are the requirements needed? Guys, please see. Operating system Windows 10 or above is recommended nowadays. Minimum 2 GB RAM is compulsory, but 4 GB is recommended. Processor speed minimum 1.5 GHz required, but 2 GHz recommended. So OS, RAM, processor speed, very minimal, isn't it? No, but if you want to enjoy with Power BI, first display, take the display like this. Display resolution, minimum 2K. And landscape orientation. So reports developed in 2 ways. One is, this is the landscape. Some people say web, some people say desktop view. Some people prefer this. Nowadays, many people prefer mobile view, mobile level browsing. This is called mobile view, a portrait view, etc. So Power BI visuals you want to enjoy, go for this resolution machines. And before developing a report, identify what type of way customers want to view, mobile view or desktop view. Accordingly, you construct the report. And Power BI comes up with a less font, increase the font size to enjoy with the interface. On top of all, the most important one, what type of system you are having, 32-bit system or 64-bit machine system. So what is this? And where do we find? Guys, this information you will find in sysinfo or this PC computers, for this PC. I'm going to sysinfo. This is sysinfo, system information. Windows 11, my machine, my processor, my system type 64-bit PC. So I need to download only this software. My RAM is 16 GB RAM, my machine. Even for my comfortness, I have taken my display settings, right click, display settings. Here I mention 150%. Display resolution, this is less only I have taken, but recommended is this for better visualization, crystal clarity visuals. And display orientation, landscape. This is for your comfortness. close. All of you okay? Any questions on this? Next. I mentioned here, where do you see that information? And downloading, guys, downloading 2 ways. The most preferable way, Google it and download it. And don't ask anyone at any time regarding Power BI software download. After 5 years, after 10 years, if you want to download, just Google it and download. Don't ask anyone. It's not a complex task. But at companies level, they prefer Power BI service level download. That is a cloud download. The reason, once the report is downloaded, once the report is developed, again, we'll move back to cloud. That time, no compatibility issues. No compatibility issues. That's the reason in real time, always recommended cloud download. But for this, account is required. Power BI account is required. So Power BI having Pro, Premium, Premium per user, Premium capacity, Embed, Fabric, like this multiple accounts available. One of the account is required to do this. In the regular class, we'll work on this only in the regular class. Regular class will work on this. And for the time being, you can Google it and download. I will show you guys. Focus.
We have to purchase these accounts or company will
No,
provide?
no, I will give you till 2 years. I forgot to tell you. Till 2 years, you will get the accounts from the institution for your practice.
No, in real time, companies will provide or
Yeah, companies will provide in
get the
real time. You
license?
need not purchase anything.
Okay.
Power BI desktop download. And download Microsoft Power BI desktop. And Microsoft Power BI desktop. The operation, what it does, clearly mentioned. And the details of the desktop also mentioned. System requirements mentioned. And installation instructions. So no need to ask anyone. Read the definition, see the details, software requirements, but they will mention here server requirements, client requirements. But what is client and server, I will explain tomorrow session. For the time being, both available here and installation instructions also. Click download here. So one is 32-bit, this is for 32-bit, this is for 64-bit. 64-bit. Click on it and download. I already downloaded. I will show you. So simple to download, am I right? Very simple to download. Google it and download. So this is the way it will download. And just click next.
Well, for Pro
Click
and Premium, you will
finish.
get access.
And during installation, 2 things it will ask you. One is C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? Second one, I accept license terms and condition. Apart from these two, no other specifications during the installation, no other prompts also. Simple to install. Download, next, finish, just specify this. Yes, madam, ask your question.
Sir, you told Pro and Premium and some other Power BI. So for Pro and Premium, you will give access, or we need to download in our personal piece?
But today you need to download from Google. From tomorrow, you need to download through the accounts.
Okay, sir.
So once
So, sir, in that case, we need to have both personal as well as the account one.
Pardon?
So, as you're saying that for today we need to download it from Google, and tomorrow onwards from account you will help us with the Power BI app.
Correct.
So both to keep?
No, not required. Only one sufficient. Only one sufficient.
Thank you.
Welcome, madam. Guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number in the chat room so that both the demo videos and documents you will receive, kindly go through. And I also request everyone, please download the software and practice it. Please download and practice today, whatever I'm explaining. In case you have any doubts or questions or queries, you can call me on this number and the given timings. call me, or you can ping me in the WhatsApp. The timings also are important. These are the timings. Right. So I installed, guys. Once you install, you will find the software like this on the desktop. This is Power BI desktop. Click on it. I'm opening the software. This is called quick startup page. So you have quick saving option, untitled, search, account, minimize, maximize, closing. Home with blank report. You can start from scratch. Home with one leg catalog, home with Excel workbook, home with SQL server, etc. You want to open a report and you want to sign out. And this is the area your settings available. For example, you want to change the language. The language is application. You want to use R language, Python language, some settings you can do. And this is a place who is a user connected and what is the version of the desktop, what is the session of the user, etc. information you will find. That's the reason this is called quick startup page. I will show you now how to change the language of this interface. Click on options and settings, options. There is a regional setting. Here application language, Hindi, India I'm taking. Click OK. Okay. Just close this application, open again. So what is the language it is showing? Hindi language. Everyone okay? And you want to change it back, just go to this. Click on this, the same. I'm revoking. Click on settings. Instead of Hindi, you take respective. Over. Right. I'll close it. Click Power BI Desktop. So now I will click blank report. If you want to create from scratch, go to blank report. This is the main interface. Let me explain one by one.
Yeah, Vinay, once I tried to upload Excel in my desktop, but it's not accepting it's not connected to the Excel.
Okay, sir, we are in a different flow actually. So I will explain you that. Wait for 15 minutes, sir. I will connect to your machine and explain you.
Vinay, sir, we
Yes,
need laptop only for this, or a tab can also be used?
there are a couple of tabs supporting and most of the tabs are not supporting.
Also, I wanted to know, this one you have downloaded from Google directly, right? It is the same software you're using currently.
Correct.
and the premium one that you were suggesting, will they have the similar setting and display options for, or will it be any change?
Yes, there are slight changes.
Oh, got it. Thank you so much.
Welcome. So this is the main interface.
Vinay, please explain in real time how we use the systems. You explain with those situations.
What?
Means we will be using desktop or laptops in the companies, not
Okay.
like that. You explain with those examples.
I'm doing the same only. I'm doing the same only, sir. In the real time, we'll download the software and we'll work on it. The same thing I'm doing it.
Okay.
There's no difference in the real time and non-real time with respect to this. Same tool, same download, same operation. Only one thing, the data is different. I'm taking my personal data here. In the real time, the data file will be different. But the rest of the components, usage, purpose, everything remains same.
Okay.
So then difference between the Pro and Pro Premium and for Power BI development, now you are telling desktop.
Let me complete this example properly, guys, and then address all your questions.
Both are same or different, sir?
Which one?
But the Power BI desktop and for Power BI Pro and Premium.
No, you do not confuse yourself, madam. Pro, Premium, those are all accounts, not
Okay.
desktops.
We need to work on desktop or real time with those are Power BI only for Power BI desktop.
No, madam, those are accounts, not
Okay.
desktops. Desktop
Okay.
is only one. You can download the desktop using Pro account or Premium account or embedded account. Any account you can use to download the software. Software is only one. I'm talking about account, multiple accounts available. I just mentioned the names. But we don't have Pro desktop, Premium desktop like that. We don't have. Pro, Premium, they are capacity based. Take an example, Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime, we have single user account, multi-user account, and different types of account. Number of users will change, but a Prime will remain same. The same way here also. Interface and application remains same, no change. A Pro price is less, Premium price is more, and we use the accounts for different purposes. There's no relationship between account and desktop. Don't worry. Right, let me complete this. Main interface, this is the main interface. Self-service interface.
What are the users of these accounts?
Sir, let me finish this example, sir. Let us solve your questions. Because we are going out of the box. Data, extract, transform, model, secure, visualize. Finally, we will get business intelligence data. So this is the first operation, second operation, third operation, fourth operation, fifth operation. It's a fixed process. So if you're from non-IT background, you're new to IT, you may feel panic, but daily we use the same terminology, you feel very bored. You want to construct a house, first foundation, pillar, roof, side wall, etc. One by one we go. The same way here also. Data we take, move into multiple phases, finally BA data generated. It's a fixed process. Wherever you go, whatever it may be the company, whatever it may be the project, same thing we implement. No difference. So one report if you create, you will remember forever. But where are these areas? If you want to bring the data, this is the area. If you want to transform it, this is the area. Very near. If you want to model it, this is the area. Security, this is the area. Visualization, this is the area. 5 areas. There are 5 areas. Now, this is quick saving. Title, search, account, minimize, maximize, closing. And these are menu tabs. And this is the home menu underline. And these options are called home, ribbon, options. These options. Sir, how do we remember? One time only. Daily you work on it, you feel very comfortable. First day you feel panic, but regularly we use the same interface. After 3-4 days you feel bored. And these are views. If you want to see anything, this is called report view. This is called grid view. You can say table view. And this is called model view. And this is DAX query view. Report view in the sense here visuals plus data we will take. Even report concept also. And this is a grid view where table data you will see. And the model view level relationships establish. And also directions, relationships and directions. And here we write DAX queries, data analysis expression language queries. So menu bars, ribbons, views, and this is pane manager. Multiple panes available. This is data pane. This is build pane. Build pane means visualization pane. Pane is this. This is pane. So when you click on it, it will open. And this is filter pane. Filter pane. When you click on this, this will open. Simply pane, nothing but PANG pane. Rectangle box with set of options. So here filter options, here visualizations, and multiple panes available. And this is the area data available. Some people say data set area. Here tables, columns, parameters, etc. available. Table, column, parameter, etc. Shall we? And
Yes,
this is canvas. Report canvas. And here is the place we'll do it. And this is called width. And this is called height. And you want to develop the report in desktop view. This is desktop view. Mobile view, mobile. Click on mobile and arrange in the mobile view visuals. This is page 1. Click plus to go to page 2, plus to go to page 3, etc. So in this area, mode available, import mode, direct query mode, etc. modes available only in this area. All of you okay? That this is the brief interface explanation. Detailed explanation I will give you in the regular class tomorrow because it will take some time. Now I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 areas. 1 is compulsory, 5 compulsory, 2, 3, 4 depending on the situation. 1 compulsory, 5 compulsory, bringing the data and visualization. 2, if the shape is not good. 3, if you want to establish relationships. 4, you want to apply security. Then where is the data? How do we bring? In real time, you will get the file data. You need not prepare anything. Already process the data you get. Demo screens, Here the file is available. I already typed it. In real time, customer will give you. This is an Excel file data. In case they provide you for analysis, along with this, they will give you business specification document, functionality document, technical document, many documents. Don't worry. Now, once you get this file, go to Power BI application, get data. First step, Excel workbook or any other source you want to use, you can use here or click more and get it. Click more and get it. And let me click Excel workbook. Sir, how many sources you take in the classroom? I will explain you Excel, CSV, SQL Server, Cube, semantic model, data flow, all this stuff. So around 9 to 10 sources I'm going to show you in the classroom. I will click Excel workbook. And this is your demo area. And this is the family expenses data. Open. Now this is a sheet available. I will turn on it. Daily expenses data. The table data available. Click load. See, I clicked on get data, browse to Excel, sheltered the sheet. Now automatically data pane will open. So this is the data pane and the table is available. You can click on it. You can see here. Sir, can I see the data here? If you want to see the data, I told you to see this table view. This data it will show. And if you closely look into this, it is not in proper shape. Because column by column not available. Not in shape, column by column not available. And how come it will come column by column? Remove this. Because this is the column heading. And then make this as column heading. Third one. Yeah, first one, remove this. And then make this column heading. Third one, area, location combined with hyphens, you can split them. Third operation. If you make it, then it will be proper shape by shape and you can analyze the area, you can analyze the location also properly. For this, we must go to the shaping area. Where is shaping area? So first you bring the data, see the table view, go to this shaping area 2. So click on it, transform data. And this is the only one extra window Microsoft will open in Power BI. There are no other windows. Remember, we have a wonderful, strong transformation area, data change area, many transformations available. You can set thousands of transformations here for data changes. Once operations completed, you can apply means save, close means closing. Save and close. And now I will expand bigger. This is the one. And I want to remove this and then make this as heading. So click on this corner. Remove top row. Number of rows to remove, 1. Top row, click OK. First row remove. Make this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. Sir, can I cancel and show you? And the right hand side, the steps will be added. So cancel this, cancel this. Cancel this. But once again, I want to do it. This one, remove it. Click on this corner, top remove rows, mention one. Okay. Make this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. I want to split into two parts. Right click, split column. So based on the hyphens, you can split. Split column by delimiter. I'll take two hyphens. Split column by separated, two hyphens. Okay. Now click on this area. Click on this location. Area, location. Now go to this, close and apply. Because what are the changes I decided completed, I'm going to home, close and apply, click on it. Successful. Are you clear? Now you can go to table view. See that column by column available. This is having two splits. So go to this first operation, got the data. Second operation, transformation, shape it. Now modeling, go to modeling, but only one table, no relationships. Security. So this is not in our current example scope. But visualization available. Fifth one, I will show you. Give me maximum 10 minutes. I will close it properly. Maximum 10 minutes. I'll not kill your time. So this is the report I want to create. This is single value, single value, single value, single value. We have a visual called card visual, which will show single value. And this is a filter and filter. These are called slices. And it is showing mapping information, map visual. It is showing percentages. So we pi. This is bar chart. Bar. Over. Right. Now I will show you one by one. Focus. Guys, even this is not required. First one, any visual you want to operate, take the visual, that's the first job. Second one, add the column, second job. 1, 2, third formation, 3 steps. Any visual, remember this point. Now first I will go to card visual. Click card. Now fields, amount. First one card, second one amount. You can ask me, sir, how did you remember or how do you identify which visual is required for which situation? That you learn in the regular class. In 5 minutes, you cannot learn. Each and every visual, I will take half an hour to 40 minutes, then you will learn. It's just a basic example, and I want to show one case study, so I'm showing it. Don't expect much on this visual explanation. So a single value card visual, I'm taking a measure, just clicked on it. And you want to format, just click format. There's a format. Now, this visual, size and style, this size and style. At a time also you can do, no problem. call out value or title. You can take title. Title, there's a title available here. Expand. Total spent. 14 size, bold, text blue color, background color yellow. I want alignment center. The title is in the center. I took title. Just title. Category label. This is called category label. This is called call out value. I don't want this off. Only value. Now value level, I want to format. Size is okay. I'll take 30 size. Bold. This is bold. And color, I will take blue color. So display unit, right now thousands it is showing, and you can make it million. You can make it billion. You can make it none. Simple value show. Call out value. Now I will minimize it in place. Now average value required. Take a card visual. What to do? Field is the second one. Amount. But it is showing sum only. Where is the average? Click on this. Summarization, average. But the same format required here. You can go it and do it. Or else go here. Format painter. This is format painter under home. Click on this. Same format. But heading will not come. So go here. Title. Right here. Average spent. Next, I will click card visual. Field. Amount I'm taking. Always sum will come. So go here. Not sum. Maximum. So highlight this. Format painter. Click on it. Title will not copy. So you need to mention in the title level. Max spent. Min spent. Take card visual. See routine part. Fields. Amount. Click on this. Click on this. Minimum spent. So you want to copy the font? This. Format this. I'm not using any DAX or anything. I'm making this example very simple. The regular classes, you see projects, case studies, and very complex expressions. Very complex. So copy it. Now you may not get the title here. Go here. Title, min spent. I will arrange here. Sir, if there is a border really good for us, how do we take? Commonly border you want to take for all visuals. Go to view menu, theme. Here there is something called customize current theme. View menu, themes, customize current theme. Visuals, border on. Visual border on. Click apply. See border ready. All visuals at a time border. You want to make all this as a group for better viewing. Possible. Control, 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 format, group, group. Advantage, all four at a time you can move. All four at a time you can resize. So when does these values change? Right now, total value. Then take a slicer visual. I told you already slicer. Take slicer. It's a visual filter. Now field value, date, year. But it is coming like this. I don't like this. So I'll go to format area. Format area. This is formation. Slicer setting, this setting. Between it is showing. I want a vertical list. Or I want tile, button. So which format you want? I'll go for tile or vertical list. Slicer header. This is header. This is values. Header values. Now header, I will take bold, 18 size, font this. Values also I will go bold, 18 size, font blue. See this. Similarly, one more slicer for month. Slicer. Take here date, month. It is showing months. Fine. But the same format you want to copy. Go here, format painter, copy. Copied. But I don't want to see all the months because I'm having only 2 months data. 2 months I need to take. Then go to filter here. Filter. Highlight the visual. Filter. Filter on the visual. Highlight the visual. Filter. Filter on the visual. Go to month. What are the months you want to select? Select July and August. Now, this is filtering. If you select 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 max, 19 minimum, August, yeah, 19 August values. You want to clear off, clear off, clear off, clear off. This is just value show. But I want to compare my top spendings. Take a bar chart. It's a bar chart. Hardly 5 minutes, bar chart. This is for comparing. Bar is always for comparing. Y-axis, this is Y-axis, this is X-axis. What do you want to compare? You take here. I want to compare reason with which value? X-axis amount. Reason-wise amount. Food, travel, internet, entertainment, books, petrol. If I click here, food 1,34,000, travel, internet, entertainment, books, petrol. Top spendings are this, bottom spendings are this. And if you want to see percentages, just click on pie chart. I'll click lesson level location, location wise percentage, value level, see here, value, amount, location here, value here. And if you click cursor here, you can see Hyderabad 40% money I spent, Vijayawada 15% money, and Vishakhapatnam 40%, and blank unknown location available but 2%, and Siddipet 2%. Next, map visual, click map. What are the locations I traveled? I want to know. Location you mentioned. It'll show you what are the locations I traveled. See, these are all the locations. Sir, can you show me bigger font? So click focus view, bigger view. Vishakhapatnam I traveled, Vijayawada traveled, etc. Sir, can I control it? These are my traveled locations, but not with business values. So go down, bubble size. This is a bubble. Bubble size you want to control, amount you take. So wherever more money I spent, bigger bubble. Wherever less money I spent, small bubble. Siddipet small bubble, come small bubble, less money spent and more money spent. And this is worldwide map only. You can zoom it and see whatever you want to see. Go back to report. So if you select 20 locations, 20 locations amount spending, 20 top spendings, low spendings, and individual values, business values, or KPI values, key performance values. And if you look at this, I explain 2 types of filtering. One is slicer based filtering. This is slicer based filtering. Second one, filter based filtering. So this visual data filtered by using this. This visual data filtered by using this. and I clicked slicer and seen the data. One more, you can click on it, then also you can see. This is called cross highlighting, cross filtering. What do you call it? Cross highlighting, cross filtering. So I explained 3 types of manual visual filtering. One is slicer, second filter, cross highlighting, cross filtering. And there are 2 more methods available. So Power BI is really good in the market because of these many user interactive methods. And you will not find these many in any reporting tool. You will not find it, believe me. I have rich experience in the visualization tools. I never seen these many visualization filters in any other tools. That's the reason non-technical, technical, everyone love Power BI. Okay, assume this is a report you developed and you need to save it. File menu, save. I'm saving under some 5 p.m. folder, no problem. VinayTech demo report. The extension PBX. Word documents extended with .docx, Excel document with XLSX, Power BI with PBX. Since it's a document. Save. Successful, sir. But customers require only this part. They will not require this extraction part, modeling part, everything. They need only this part. How do you share? If that is the case, this report you need to export to cloud. So I saved in 5 p.m. folder batches. This is my 5 p.m. February. Here the report is available, demo report. Today I created 9th April. But this report I want to share with customers. Not possible from here, and we never give this to customer. Always we need to move to cloud. Many people feeling, yes, I created a report and I know Power BI. Without knowing cloud, you are zero. Cloud is important. So it is a Google Chrome. I'm connecting to cloud. This is called Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. I'll open a fresh window, app.powerbi.com. Power BI Cloud. And for this account is required. Whatever the accounts I said, like Pro, Premium and all required. I already signed in. So it is showing me like this. These kind of accounts I will give you for your practice. Till 2 years I will give you, don't worry. And here we will create a folder. A workspace is a folder. We will create a folder, but I already created multiple folders and students also created multiple. Every batch I will give and students will create like this. I'm going for a project. So Coop project. This is the folder. Already projects are available here. Import report. See, page generated report or normal report. This is a major reason I given clear understanding about page generated report. Now it is very, very important, page generated reports. Click on it from this computer. Where is it? Batches, 5 p.m. Demo report. Demo report, open. No problem, replace it. Guys, when you upload to cloud, it will divide into 3 parts. That's why cloud is important, I told you. See, today uploaded VinayTech demo report. VinayTech demo report, demo report. So system will create 3 components. One is report, where structure available, data area, dashboard area. 3 areas system will create. How many areas? 3. So in your drive level, folder level, batches folder level, it is a single file, correct? After moving to cloud, it is divided into 3 parts. మనం డ్రైవ్లో క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సిలో డీలో సేవ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒకటే ఫైల్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు 3 పార్ట్స్ అయ్యాయి. Why? Now let me explain. This is the one customer has to browse, even you have to browse. For report and data you want to see, click on it. Cloud level only data operations, data. What is the data available here? No report. So data operations separate. Data refresh, data changes, everything we do. But report level, if you want to see, go here, workspace or cloud workspace. Do not confuse, you will see practically all this and you have to do it also. However, others complete it, the same way you will do it. I will make it happen. Just see end-to-end process today. Open our report. Hardly a minute, I'll close it. See, the report is ready. Am I right? Yeah, people can browse in the cloud level. Fine. Sir, how do we share this? This is not the way to share. This is to just browse. There's an option called share. Here, share who you want to share, the email ID mentioned. I'm sharing to a specific email ID, send. That email ID people will receive this link. Sir, can I put a schedule time? Possible. And there is subscribe. This is immediate sharing, on-demand sharing. On demand. This is subscription sharing. Click subscribe, create a subscription, mention daily report. Time, and I want to share 2 days daily at 8:45 p.m. Yes, save. In this time zone, daily 8:45 p.m. the link will be sent to the customers. This is subscription. No. Customer require only PDF format. Export level, there are options available. Download in PDF and share. Customer require the same report in PPT format, a PPT and share. Our customer require just data from this so that he can generate his own report, Excel. See the number of methods to share, either link sharing, schedule sharing, document sharing, file. In case customer interested for QR code and scan it, yeah, just generate a QR code and share with him. So when he scan the QR code, he will see the report and will see practically, don't worry. And there is one more. Customer having a website or a blog, you want to place this report, just click on it. This link you share with the customer, he will see. This link you share with the customer, he will see. So these are the different options available to share. So according to our demo, I plan to explain how this data used in Power BI to develop like this and how to move to cloud and how to share with customers. So whatever I planned end to end successfully completed. So there are 2 demo classes. First demo content, I covered this. Second demo content, components, concepts, very depth I explain, and installation requirements on practice flow. I'm not saying I have given a very complex example, but classroom level, we see complex examples, projects. Even in my YouTube channel, you can see complex examples and small projects. But this is a demo session where everyone should enjoy and understand. So I'm going in a different way. But see the subject with depth, what I'm giving, and clarity of the subject. And the course is for 2 months. As I told you, Monday to Friday classes compulsory, monthly 2 Saturdays, that too based on your interest. My 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for you. If you want to purchase only videos, reach out on this. Just ping them. Or if you want to complete in 1 month, yes, please ping on this. Then we'll guide you how to do it. But proper material, video access for 1.5 years, and 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies provided. And training is good for real-time working perspective, interview suitable, and PL300 examination in case you are preparing suitable for it. And you can generate your own reports. Anybody can learn, any graduate can learn Power BI, it is easy to learn. And I have multiple batches, and the current batch is 7 p.m. batch. From tomorrow, 7 to 8 p.m. only. The session time will not be extended due to demo, and even in intermediately multiple people ask questions. So it extended, otherwise 7 to 8 sharply, it will close. And once the course completed, you will get a course completion certificate. And further, you need to provide the details to the reception. After the completion of the course, if you provide your details to the reception, and they will give you the certificate.
Sir, if we have any doubts, then in which time we have to ping you?
Yeah, these are the timings for me to talk, call,
Okay.
take a session.
Vinay sir, another time available?
Right. So I'm stopping it now, guys. Now you can ask your question.